In Colorado, we have child support guidelines, which are it's a mathematical formula that's been established by the state legislature. So when you go into a child support calculation, we're looking at specific factors. We look at each party's income, the overnights that they have with children, and people often get confused between whether we're talking about overnights or days with the children, and it's actual overnights that count. So even if you are not with the children all day long, if you're gone from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m., but you have the children overnight, that counts as an overnight. So in order to figure out child support, we look at each person's income, the number of overnights they have with the children, and then there's specific deductions for very specific factors that parents pay for. We look at children's portion of insurance for health insurance and other sorts of things. We look at the cost of daycare, and then sometimes there are extraordinary expenses in the case of somebody who's got a kid that has mental health issues or needs specific care, autism or something. So extraordinary medical expenses can also go in, and if the parents agree, sometimes private school tuition. So that all gets plugged into an Excel spreadsheet that takes into account those various numbers, and then it kicks out a basic number that one parent owes the other. That's the presumptive amount that must be paid. But parents have the option, if they want, to what's called deviate from the guidelines and ask the court to have more or less child support. You must explain to the court why you want to do that if you want to make that choice, but it's possible.